A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd just like to share with you how to make this little granny square. It's a very user-friendly for beginners. It's worked in 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds, and we don't use a magic ring. And it measures approximately 4 inches by 4 inches, which is 10 centimeter. And I'm just using a 6mm or J crochet hook. If you're going to use a bigger crochet hook, you're going to get a bigger square, and a smaller size crochet hook, you'll get a smaller square. And I'm just using some worsted yarn or 8-ply yarn, and it doesn't take too much yarn. You can work the rounds in different colors if you want to, but for the tutorial I'll just be using one color. So I'm not going to be using a magic ring. I'm going to leave a bit of a thread and make a slip knot, and I'm going to chain 4. So just make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'm going to join the chain into a ring, and we will be working our first row of the square into the ring. So I'm going to use the first 1, 2, 3 chain from the hook, but the 4th chain from the hook, which is the first chain that I made. So I'm just going to join into a ring with a slip stitch. And you've got your little ring just there, and we'll be working 12 double crochet into that ring for the first round. I'm just going to chain 1. This chain doesn't, one chain doesn't count as a stitch, and I'm going to just work my 12 double crochet into the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So before I join the round, I'm just going to count my stitches. So this 1 chain that we made at the beginning of the round is not a stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we miss the 1 chain, and we just join the round to the first double crochet we made with a slip stitch. We're going to start off by making the first corner of the square. So I'm going to chain 1, and into the same place that I made, I joined the round with a slip stitch, and at the base of the 1 chain I'm just going to work 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2 chain, and then another double crochet into the same place. And we have our first corner. So the 1 chain doesn't count as a stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, all into the same stitch. I'm going to work the first side, and that'll be just over the next 2 stitches. So I'll work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. 1, and then another 1 double crochet. So I've got my side, which is just 1, 2 double crochet. Into the next stitch, I'm going to work the second corner. So it's going to be 1 double crochet, 1, 2 chain, and then another double crochet into the same place. And we have our first corner, our first side, and our second corner. We're going to work into the next 2 stitches. We're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and then we're going to work our third corner into the next stitch. That is going to be 1 double crochet, 1, 2 chain, and then another double crochet all into that same stitch. And we have our 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2 sides. For the third side, we just work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2. Into the next stitch, we're going to work our 4th corner. So 1 double crochet, 1, 2 chain, and 1 double crochet all into the same stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. For the 4th side, we have our 2 stitches. I'm going to work 1 double crochet into each of those 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. And to join the round, I'm going to miss this 1 chain and just slip stitch into that first double crochet we made. And your little square is starting to take shape. For the second round, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to work 1 double crochet into the same place that I joined the round with a slip stitch in the base of the 1 chain. So just 1 double crochet, and I've come to the 2 chain space, so I'm going to make the corner, and we're going to be working 1, 2 double crochet into the 2 chain space, 1 chain, and then another 2 double crochet into that 2 chain space. And that's the first corner of the second round. We're going to be working 1 double crochet into each of the stitches until we get to the 2 chain space. So just 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we add the 2 chain space. We make our second corner, just 2 double crochet into the 2 chain space, 1, 2, 1 chain, and then 1, 2. So that's the second corner, and that's the first side. And we're just going to work 1 double crochet into each of the stitches until we get to the next 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we just work our third corner into the 2 chain space here. So it's 1, 2, double crochet, 1 chain, and another 2 double crochet all into the 2 chain space. And then we're going to work our third side, just 1 double crochet into each of the stitches until we get to the next 2 chain space. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we make our fourth corner into the 2 chain space, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 chain, and then another 1, 2 double crochet. And then we just work 1 double crochet into each of these stitches until we get to the end of the round. So just the 1 double crochet into each stitch, 1, 2, and 3. And we miss this 1 chain, and we join the round by just working a slip stitch into the first double crochet of the previous round. Your little square is starting to take shape. You can leave it this way if you want to, or you can just add another row of single crochet around. So I'm going to chain 1, and you can use different colors for each round if you want to. So I'm just going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch till I get to the 1 chain space. So I've got the 1 chain that I've just started the round with. It doesn't count as a stitch, and I'm just going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch until I get to the 1 chain space. And I'm going to be working my first corner. I'm going to work 5 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, and then we just work 1 single crochet into each stitch till we get to the 1 chain space. One, 2, 3, you want to make the square bigger, you can just repeat the 4th round for as many times as you want. So I'm at the 1 chain space. I'm going to work my 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we just continue working our single crochet till we get to the next 1 chain space. And then we work our corner, our 5 single crochet into the 1 chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we just continue working our single crochet till we get to the next 1 chain space. It's a nice, easy, beginner-friendly little granny square. We're just going to repeat for the last corner, just work our 5 single crochet into the 1 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're at our 4th side. We have our 4 corners, our 3 sides. The 4th side, we're just going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch to the end of the round. And to join the round, we miss the 1 chain, just slip stitch into the first single crochet we made at the beginning of the round. And that's your little square. And if you do want to make it bigger, you can just repeat the 4th round for as many times as you want. And then to fasten off, just yarn over hook and just pull through. And then you can just sew in your threads. And I hope this tutorial has been helpful and useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.